Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we are going to make a fruit custard. Fruit custard is a favorite of everyone and it's so tasty and delicious dessert. It's my favorite and I hope you will like it too. Let's get started. I'm putting this kadai on a gas stove and I'm pouring a half a liter of milk in it. This is a cow milk and you can use any kind of milk which is available with you. Milk is rich in calcium and we should always consume milk. We will keep little milk in this glass because we have to add a custard powder in it, and I'm taking this strawberry flavored custard powder and I will put 2 tablespoons of custard powder in this milk and I will stir it continuously. I am stirring it continuously so that all the lumps will vanish in it. I am putting a green cardamom powder half tablespoon in it and I will bring it to boil. After it start boiling, I will add this strawberry flavored custard milk in it. So I will stir it continuously till it starts getting thick. And here I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar in it. If you don't like sugar, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey too. We will cook it on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and we will switch off the gas. When we will consume fruit custard, it will provide you all necessary nutrients like vitamins, minerals, calcium, potassium, magnesium, etc. The consistency of this custard milk is very good. Now we are transferring this custard milk in a large bowl. And we will add all these mixed fruits in it, which I have already prepared. We will let it cool for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we will add these fruits. First, we are adding mango slices and then we are adding papaya slices in it. Now, we will add these melon slices in it. After adding melon slices, I will add these grape slices in it. I have cutted grapes into 2 equal halves and I added. Now I am adding these orange slices. Now I will add pomegranate seeds in it. That is 1 cup. Now I took 1 banana and I will cut it in small little pieces and I will add this chopped banana in it. After this, I have prepared some dry fruits that consist of dates, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins and melon seeds. I have soaked 1 tablespoon of basil seeds in water before 10 minutes and I am adding whole cup in this fruit custard. Now I am starting mixing all these fruits with this milk custard. You can see this fruit custard looks so beautiful and it's so delicious too. And hope in this holy month of Ramadan, you will definitely make it at home. After mixing it completely, I will garnish it with these mixed dry fruits that consist of dates, almonds, cashew nuts, raisins and melon seeds. Now our fruit custard is ready and we can serve it at Iftari time. It is so delicious and you will love to eat this. Hope you like our today's recipe. Inshallah, we will meet again with another recipes. Till then, you take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.